Find the best kids bike seats on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product I scored and buy. I am going to review top 4 best kids bike seats on the market. 1. Thule Yep Nexxt Maxi. Of the 7 rear bike seats we tested, the Thule Yep Nexxt Maxi fell right in line with its beloved predecessor, the Thule Yep Maxi, and then took it a step further. At 5.8 pounds, it's lighter than the next lightest seat in our test pool, the Yepp Maxi, by 2.6 pounds, making for smoother bike handling. Its seat material, a shock-absorbing expanded polypropylene, is similar to the lightweight foam interior of a helmet, and it also happens to be easy to keep clean. Thule redesigned the safety buckle on this seat, too, trading out the common pinch and pull mechanism, which many kids master before age 3, for a magnetic buckle that requires a hefty swipe of a lever to release it. 2. Thule Yep Maxi. The Thule Yep Maxi rear bike seat has long been a fan favorite for family biking enthusiasts, and for good reason. It's the older version of our Topeak, but if our Topeak is sold out or you can't find it, this model is a great backup option. The Yep Maxi is durable, comfortable, weather-repellent, and comes in eye-popping colors. It requires a rack as well as an adapter plate, but both the plate and the seat are easy to attach. 3. Topeak BabySeat 2 and BabySeat 2 Rack, Disc. The Topeak BabySeat 2 and BabySeat 2 Rack, Disc, is bigger and heavier. It's nearly 14 pounds, than our Topeak and runner-up. However, this budget seat's wraparound design hugs your child deeply on 3 sides, minimizing the possibility of road rash should an accident occur. It's deep enough to accommodate a helmet comfortably, too. You have to harness your child's sans helmet first, but more on that later. 4. Thule RideAlong Mini. We also tested 6 best-selling front bike seats, from budget level to top dollar. The front seats are my favorite for kids under 3 years old, said pediatrician Julian Davis, because they make the bike more stable, don't require spoke protection and are more social and fun. Having your toddler between your arms, talking to her and having it feel like it's her bike is unbeatable. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.